Hi Irina, this is Heidi from Taylor & Son Chevrolet in Sandpoint, Idaho. This here is the 2011 Toyota Rav4 that you were requesting information on. This edition is the Sport model. If you come along the side here, you can see that it is in very nice condition. There's no scratches along the passenger side. As you can see, the windows are tinted. That is part of the Sport package. You can also see that the wheels are 18 inches, which is also included in the Sport package. Very nice. No signs of any scratches on the wheels. They're in very nice condition. Coming around to the rear of the vehicle, you can see that there is a spoiler on the top here that is also included in the Sport package. The exhaust tip on the bottom is chrome. Coming along the back, as you can see, there's no scratches. Driver's side, coming along the side here, no dings. Wheels, passenger and driver side, are very nice condition. As you can see, there's the Sport badging. There's the other wheel, the rear wheel. As you can see, it comes with a roof rack. It does have the crossbars as well, which is also included in the Sport package. On the inside, the interior is dark, almost a gray and black, in very good condition. Doesn't look like there was any animals present, any signs of animals in the vehicle. The passenger seat here is in very nice condition as well. Carpet is in nice condition. As you can see on the control panel here, you have a 6-disc CD changer. The back seat here, seats are very nice. Carpet is very nice as well. That seat is folded down, so it gives you kind of a good example of how that'll fold down. Rear of the vehicle, carpet is in very good shape. And I know you had some questions about the motor, so I wanted to show you what it kind of looked like under the hood. As you can see, it's very clean. And that is the 2011 Toyota RAV4 Sport. Irina, if you have any other questions, please contact us at the dealership. The number here is 208-263-2138. Thanks, Irina.